Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to model a infinite cube in Autodesk Maya 2020. So let's get started. First go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cube, type subdivision wide, height and depth type 20, subdivision wide, height and depth type 13, turn on wireframe on shaded mode. Go to create curve, open CB curve tool option, reset the tool, select linear. First go to edge selection mode, go to top view, select this edge by dragging, shift right click, click delete edge, go to front view, select this edge by dragging, shift right click, click delete edge, go to side view, drag select this edge, shift right click, click delete edge, go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, go to perspective view, turn off the grid. Now go to create curve, open CB curve tool option, reset the tool, click linear, press V on your keyboard to turn on snap to point option, click one point here, one here, one here and another here, one here. Press V and click one point here, another here. Control G to undo. Press V, click one point here and another here, one point here and another point here, one point here, one here and another point here. Click one point here. And another point here, one point here, another here, one point here, another point here and the last one. Last point here. Now press enter on your keyboard, select the cube, move the cube just here. Now see, hide the cube, guide cube, select the knobs primitive. Now turn on the grid, move the curve up, go to edit, delete by type, delete history, go to generate curve utilities, attach brush to curve, open attribute editor, default brush, go to default brush, global scale size type 20 or 30, type 30, or 40 type. Now select this, go to modify, convert paint effect to polygon, select this, right click, first hide the curve, select this, right click, assign new material, select blend, change the blend color to Red. Now turn off the wireframe on shaded mode. See, the infinite cube is created. Turn on two-sided lighting. See, this is how you can create infinite cube in Autodesk Maya 2020. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.